Hey, welcome to my bike check. This is my new Verde Spectrum, roughly weighing in 24-25 pounds, comes 26. Came with a bunch of crap on it. I didn't want it, so I took a lot of it off. First, I got Odyssey red pedals, got half-link chain, hazard light back rim. I put zip ties on the red, just help the spokes hold up a little bit and match the colors. Got the Diatech red brake set. Took the snafu gyro off and ran a straight cable. Odyssey mono lever. Got profile hubs on it. Got the animal seat and pivotal seat post. It's a 21. What else? I also got the red animal grips, red bar ends. I took my purple aluminum ones off. They didn't match the coloring I wanted, so I did that. My next thing to do is probably get something to hold this on better, not red zip ties. But yeah, it's my bike check, and I've only had this for a week.